Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to create a React application. Here are some set of steps which you need to follow to create React application. First one is install React create React app command which will create your React application. Second step would be navigate your project directory. Once React solution is created, you need to navigate your project directory. Third step would be start development server. To run your React application, you need to start development server. And then fourth step would be understand your project structure. Fifth is modify your application. And then we'll be adding the new component and calling it to main component. Then last step would be build your app for production. So let us perform these steps. Just for your update, to start React application, there are some prerequisites which should be ready on your laptop or machine. First one is you need to install React Node.js. Second one, you need to ready with the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Okay, let us start. I'm ready with both steps, so I can start directly. Let us start this quickly. So here you can see this is my project directory. Here I can start my base command. Let me close this. Let me start new fresh base command from here. Here I can start base here. Okay, click on that. Okay, so this is base tool, and here you can type the command which is first command you can say, and that command is npmx. Okay, this one here, paste it. So this one is something where you are going to install your React application. npx create React app and then React app name. My React app is application name, so I can see and create it and run it. So here I'm running it. It's about to start creating. It may take few minutes. So let us go to there for time being on your steps. So first step, we have started this install create React app, which is creating your solution. And second would be navigate your project directory. To navigate your project directory, you need to open your VS Code. VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So here I can open my VS Code, right? And then I can navigate my project directory. So here you can go and open folder. It means your project directory. So here is my project directory, and this is the my React app. So this my React app is recently created with the help of your command. So which command you running here? You are running this base command. Let us minimize this. So here look at this command is still installing, and this is created. My React folder is created and command is running. You can see some new file would be coming here in this solution. Okay, so first file package.json is created, and program is still adding some dependency in package.json file. Okay, so dependency means there are some set of library which are needed, and those should be added. Look at now, new file are coming. Recently these green file which you can see in React solution are added. Okay, so still installing. So these files are added here. Readme package.json, package log.json, and then public folder. src folder is also created. So this is your React structure. React solution is created with the help of this command. Okay, now next step is here you can see start development server. It means you can start whether this your React app is running or not. Okay, so this is my solution here. I can go here and I can start this from here also. This is my terminal in React. Go to and just you need to type npm start. So once you type npm start, then it will run your development server. Okay, and you can see your site would be running there on deb. Look at here. So it is about to open your site React application which recently created. Okay, so this is your React application is running. All right. Now what you can do, you can modify it. So if we talk about the steps, then here these are your steps. Here you can see. Now we running the development server. This is running here, and then next understand the structure. Okay, and then modify the file. To understand the structure, basically, there are few things which you need to understand here. One is go to solution. So here, basically, this is package.json file, which have all your dependency, which are mandatory, needed. Default dependencies are these dependencies are needed to run the React application. And then second one is this src folder. Under the src folder it has some very important file like index.js, which is your entry point, and then app.js, that is also second level of files which is created, and then css also created, and this test file is also created, that's okay. And then other one is this public folder is also getting created, which have this index.html file. Okay, so these are the basic structure which is very important. Entry point is index.js. All right, now coming to, let us have a look on the document also about this structure. Look at, these are the four things which they are covering also here. Okay, now coming to next step, we can modify. Okay, you can modify your file now. So let us modify your file. So what you can do, you can modify is something like let's suppose this is your package.json. In package.js, sorry, app.js. In app.js, I want to modify this component. I'm just writing like this, welcome to my React app. Okay, so this is, in this way you can modify your component. You can write anything here. You can add more headers or whatever you want to add as per your need. So just modify it and just saving it, and then you can see what is happening there on server. Look at here, this one. So here, welcome to my React app is coming here now. This component has modified. Now what you can do, you can add a new component. All right. So let us add a new component in your React solution. So new component is this one, hello world. I'm going to add this hello world in your React solution. Okay. So here is your React solution, and in this that here you can click on add a new file. So this is the new file, and then you can give the JS file. Okay, so this is a file which just created. Now what we need to write in this file, let's suppose I want to write this body there in new file. I'm just saving the time. Okay, so hello world is one of the um, you know this component is having. In this div you can have whatever design you want, you can keep your design. Right, now this component need to be called on your main component is this application component, right? So in app.js, this is your app.js. Here I can call that hello world. How I'm calling this is hello world. You need to write this import hello world, and then you can call the hello world. And this is just import, and then you can call it here, right? So this is the way how to call um, component from another component. So hello world is here, hello world JS. I'm calling that into this. Now your outcome would be different. So once you say save, then you can see changes on your application, right? So here is your application. Now you can see, look at, this was previous, now this is also added hello world because on app.js we are calling hello world.js where we have written hello world, right? Now in case here you want to write any other point like in solution hello world, and in this place let's suppose I say hello world. In place of hello world I can say hello Delhi. Okay, so once I write hello Delhi and I save, then it will change there also hello Delhi, right? Look at hello Delhi. So um, so that is all. It should be actually hello New Delhi. Okay, so for that there is correct name hello New Delhi, and you can give little space also here. Save it, and then you can see this changes hello New Delhi. Okay, so this is all about how to create a React application, and then how to you can say modify it, how to call another component from one component, and last command is to create a build. So basically for that you need to run npm run build command, which will create this production executable files. So let us cover that also quickly. This is your React solution. Okay, in React solution, what you can do in README also we have all these commands which it gives already. So here you can run this command, go to your terminal. Okay, so in this terminal you can press Ctrl C and then S, and then here basically you can type your command npm run build. When you run this npm run build, then it will create another build folder here in this solution. You can notice this. Look at here, one build folder is about to create. Look at this build folder, and this build folder you can see it would be creating all your executable files here. Look at, so your npm run build is done successfully, and it has created static file, and you can see bundle, manifest. This is in under the static file you can see. In JS you can see main dot JS. Okay, so this one, this is your minification and bundle file which would be hosted on Azure. It contain all your file, so it is kind of bundle.js. Okay, main dot and this name it created with your build. Okay, so this is very important. Normally on production we apply these files, minification file. Okay, so that is all as part of this video. In this video we have covered how to create React application and how to modify it and how to call child component from other component, and then how to make it executable also. We have run the development server, we run this file on the development for our server. So that is all as part of this video. See you in next video with the next steps. Thank you very much for your time. See you again.